Hi, my name is Karen Brandt, and today's date is May 29th, 2019. And I'm going to go ahead and I did part one of the exercise for the biochem testing for microbial identifications with the methyl red bogus Pargus casting test. Part one is already done. I did the 48-hour incubation period. I do have some results in regards to the culture. So now I'm going to go ahead and go to part two of the methyl red test, where I'm going to check the broth after. Well, I'm at this point now where I'm going to check the broth after 48 hours for growth, which should appear in the tube. No growth is, I do have growth. I have wiped down my work area. And I'm going to go forth with, I have my sterile tubes here that I will be using. I did permanently mark those. I have 2 E. coli's and 2 staph are ready to go. I'm going to carefully pour half of my incubated MRVP broth label into E. coli and to each of the corresponding test tubes, and repeat the same for the staph, okay? And I'm going to make sure that I have equal amount of broth in all 4 tubes. So I'm going to just make sure that this is sterile. And I'm going to go ahead and pour. And this is the MRV E. coli. Just about, let's see. Okay, they're just about equal. And I'm going to do the same for the MRPS epididymis. Going to make sure. Okay, just making sure that it's evened out. And I'm going to use my scissors to cut the methane red pipette, and I'm going to cut it over the trash can. I'm going to have my wet napkin, paper towel, so I can wipe my scissors clean once I'm done. I'm going to cut this. My trash can is behind the video. And I'm going to use my scissors to make sure My scissors are clean. I'm going to discard my paper towel into the trash. And then I'm going to pipette 7 drops of the methane red agent into one of my E. coli and into one of my staph test tubes. And I'm going to do 7 drops. Okay. And I'm going to do 7 drops into the staph. Okay. And then after I've done that, I'm going to immediately observe the color of the broth after adding the drops and record it in my laboratory report. And I'm going to go forth and do the same for the Brett regiment. After I record this, I'm going to go forth with the Brett. And then once I record that, I'm going to do the Brett B regiment. I'm going to do the A and B and allow shake gently for 30 seconds. And at this time, this is going to conclude my experiment. Thank you. And once again, my name is Karen Brent. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Goodbye. Uh-oh.